Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 5000-watt electric start tri-fuel RV-ready portable generator is a powerhouse designed for versatility and convenience. With its tri-fuel capability, this generator can run on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, making it an ideal choice for various scenarios, from camping trips to emergency power supply. One of the standout features of this generator is its electric start function. The ease of starting with the push of a button is a significant advantage, especially during emergencies when time is of the essence. The generator is equipped with a reliable 224 cubic centimeters engine that delivers up to 5,000 watts of starting power and 4,500 watts of running power, sufficient to run essential appliances, tools, and RV systems. Portability is another key selling point. Weighing around 120 pounds, it comes with a sturdy wheel kit that makes transportation smooth, whether you are moving it around your yard or loading it into your RV. The sturdy construction ensures durability, while the telescoping handle provides additional maneuverability. The generator features multiple outlets, including two 120V20A household outlets and one 120V30A RV outlet, which enhances its utility for various devices. The addition of a digital meter that displays voltage, frequency, and hour use is particularly beneficial for monitoring performance and maintenance needs. Noise levels are moderate, which is a crucial consideration for camping and residential use. At around 58 dBA, it operates quietly enough not to disturb the peace. However, it's still powerful enough to handle heavy loads efficiently. In terms of fuel efficiency, the Champion generator impresses. It runs for up to 12 hours on a full tank of gasoline at 50% load, making it a reliable partner for extended use. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 5000-watt electric start tri-fuel portable generator is an excellent investment for those seeking reliability, convenience, and versatility in power solutions. Its combination of performance, portability, and ease of use makes it a top contender in the portable generator market.